Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last videos, I showed you how to create bar and column charts, line charts, and also area charts, right? So in today's video, I will show you how to create a pie chart. And pie chart is basically is commonly used to compare proportions of values by 100%. And yeah, so examples where pie chart can be used are for showing the percentages of budget spent by department and the contributions of product sales compared to total sales, and also showing the breakdown of total traffic by city in percentages. So, pie chart is basically percentage driven. So, and the pro tip for using pie chart is to keep the number of slices less than six, so that whenever you read it, it will be easy for you to understand. And in this video, I will show you how to use pie chart, and I will show you the pie of pie chart and bar of pie and also 3D pie chart. Right. So let us get started with the topic. So here I have the sample data of product revenue for an e-commerce company, and here I have four product categories for which the cost is allocated here, and the revenue here, and the revenue gap, and the revenue target. So this is the total revenue target that need to be achieved, but we got but we got only this revenue here, and the revenue gap is 72,000 for shoes, and then for trousers, and 1,50,000 for gadgets, and 38,000 for shirts. So this revenue gap is calculated by subtracting the revenue target and the revenue that was generated here, and the percentage is nothing but how much percent we were able to generate the revenue. So this is divided by revenue and revenue target to get this percentages, right? So using this data here, we will be looking at how to create a pie chart. So now let's look at the basic pie chart first. So to create the pie chart, first we need to select the uh, cell differencing. So now I'm creating a pie chart for product category and cost. So the shortcut key for pie chart is Alt N and Alt N. Sorry, the shortcut key is Alt NQ. So here you can see we have the 2D pie charts. So we will be discussing these four options today. So the basic pie chart and pie of pie, bar of pie, and 3D pie chart, right? So first we need to select the data here. First let us insert the pie chart for product category and cost. So go to insert, click on this and select the pie chart. So this is a basic pie chart. So now let us insert the data labels here. To insert data labels, we have two ways. First way is either you can go to this add chart element and just select the data labels and select from here, or else you can also select from here as well. When you click on this plus symbol, you will find the data labels option and select this any of these options here, right? So now I'm selecting the outside end option, and now if you see, we got the data labels here, but these data labels are in the currency values, right? But we want this data labels in percentages, because pie chart is percentage driven, right? So the entire pie chart is 100%, right? So that is the reason we need to convert this currency values into percentages. So to convert that, we need to right click, select this values here, and then right click on it and click on format data labels. Here we need to deselect the value here and select percentage, and also you can select the category name if you want. Right, now close this, and I'm removing this legend here because I have already selected the category values here. So I'm removing the legend here. So now we created the basic pie chart here. So now if we understand this pie chart, the shoe the shoe category has allocated the highest cost, which is 38% of the cost has been allocated to shoe category and 27% of the cost has been allocated to trouser and 22% of the cost has been allocated to gadget and 13% has been allocated to shirts, right? So this is the basic understanding of a pie chart for this product categories, right? Now let us insert one more pie chart for revenue. So I'm selecting the product category, pressing Control and selecting the revenue here. Now again I'm inserting the basic pie chart here. Now this pie chart is for revenue, right? So once again let us format this by data labels and also convert this values into percentages. So I'm deselecting this. So first I'm let me select this values here. Then right click on it. Then click on format data tables. Deselect this value. Sorry, something is happening here. So outside, right click on this format data labels, percentages, value, and select the category name. And you can also remove the legend if you want. Now we created the pie chart for revenue here. So if you understand the pie chart here, 32% of the revenue has been generated for trousers and 31% of the revenue has been generated for shoes. 20% of the revenue has been generated for gadgets and 17% of the revenue has been generated for shirts, right? So this is the basic understanding of pie chart. Now let us move to one more option, which is pie of pie. So I hope you understood this basic pie chart here. Now, now what if we have one more column, one more row of same category here? Suppose if I have one more row of shirts here, suppose let me create one more row of the same category. So shirts Hyderabad and shirts Mumbai. So I am differentiating this product category by location. So now we have same product category for different locations and with different price range, right? So let me edit this price values here as well. Right, now let us create one more chart which is pi of pi. So I will show you why I added an extra row here. So let me select this and let me insert pi of pi here. So here this is the pi of pi chart here, right? Now let me add the data labels once again. Right, now let us convert this values into percentages. So right, now let us convert these values into percentages and also let us select the category name and remove the uh, legend here. Now let me increase this. Now if you clearly observe the first pi here, so this first pi is nothing but we have shoe category, trousers, gadgets, and other. So what is other here? So other is a combination of shirts Hyderabad and shirts Mumbai, right? So this is 22%. So if you look at the value here, 22,000 is the cost located for the shirts Hyderabad and shirts Mumbai, and 22% is the percentage value here. Now if we combine these two, then the value is 22,000, right? So Excel has defined these two values as other in the main pie chart. But when it comes to the secondary pie chart, this secondary pie chart is a combination of other only, right? So you can see here shirts Mumbai 10% and shirts Hyderabad 12%, right? So this 22% allocation is this single pie here, right? So the main pie is 100% allocated, right? So this main pie is 100% allocated. Here we have the allocations for category. based on 100% value here. So 34% of the cost has been allocated to shoes, 4% to trousers, 20% cost to gadgets, and 22% cost has been allocated to shirts here. So, but when it comes to this pie is only 22% allocation, and this pie is a combination of both shirts Hyderabad and shirts Mumbai, which is coming from this other pie here, right? So that is how we can use the pie of pie option when you have when you have same category names, right? So to differentiate this same category separately, we can use this pie of pie option in Excel, right? So this is pie of pie. Now let us go with one more option which is called bar of pie. So bar of pie and pie of pie both are same. The only difference is here in pi of pi uh, you will see this circle uh, pi here, but when it comes to bar of pi, you will see a bar here instead of a round circle. So let us select this bar of pi. So here you can see the difference. Here we got a bar now. Previously for pi of pi we had circle, but for bar of pi we are having a small bar here. That is differentiating towards Hyderabad and towards Mumbai. So, the the process is same. So whatever the allocation which you are seeing here is coming from this other only, right? So that is a basic understanding of pi of pi and bar of pi. So whenever you have multiple categories with same name, then you can use this bar of pi or pi of pi option in Excel, right? So that is our second option. This is our third option, right? Let us look at one more option, which is 3D pi. So 3D pi is also same. The only thing is the pi with the pi design changes to 3D here. So I'm selecting the product category and cost here, and inserting the 3D pi here. So you can see the difference here between 3D pi and the normal pi here. So this is the basic pi and this is the 3D pi. So here you can clearly observe the difference. The only the area is in 3D here, right? So here also you can add the data labels. So and you can convert this values here. So right click and select format data values and select this percentage options and select the category names as well. So this is 3D pi here. So but in general cases, we only use this option because 3D is not in terms of visibility and visualization. This 3D doesn't look that great, so we only use most of them. Most of us recommend this to use this basic pie chart instead of 3D chart, right? So these are the basic pie charts which we look today. So the first one is the basic pie chart for cost, and this is for revenue, and this is bar of pie chart. Whenever you have multiple categories with same name, and this is 3D pie chart, right? So I hope you understood the concept and how you can use pie charts here. So in my next video, I will be showing you. I will be discussing about the donut chart, who comes under the same category of pie charts. So stay tuned for my videos, and if you find my videos to be informative and useful to you, then please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can make much more interesting videos on Excel. Thank you.